Hey people, what's up? It's Ritchie. And today, I'm just chilling out on my couch. I'm just making a normal vlog like usual. Oh, and also here's my fidget spinner. Here's my fidget spinner. And it lights up. Oh, wait, let me see. Light up.
Oh, sorry, Rube. Grandma bounced us, huh? Yeah, relax.
So yeah.
I want to get a sandwich, but see what this is all on. What's happening?
Please. Don't worry, Grandma.
Huh?
Basically, this is what it looks like spinning. So, actually, this is not a full vlog. This is all about this fidget spinner. It looks pretty cool. And it looks like the things pop out of the screen. Lights, right? Put a like on this video if you think these things pop out of the screen. Okay. So people, I'm just going to leave this light on so you can actually see my face. I'm leaving this light on so my face might be flashing colors. But it's just so you can see. So people, make sure that you actually probably should get this fidget right here. Because I might be giving out some fidgets in the comment below, so subscribe, turn on notifications, and say done when you are done, and then I might give you a fidget. Not this one, but I might give you a fidget. Oh, dang, my rod just came on. So, I'm gonna watch TV now, so bye guys, peace out!